Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today, I'm presenting you the tutorial Bouncy Shake. Here's the advanced result. Let's get started. Get your clips ready. Add a keyframe at the start of clip and zoom the clip. Another at end, but also slide down the clip like I did. Now you have to repeat the procedure with every clip. Now click on the clip and go to Graphs. Select Flow 1 and adjust its shape as shown. Add the same graph to each clip and also adjust its shape, as shown. Now you can see the bounce. Next, you go to Video Effects and go to Opening and Closing. And select Oblique Blur. Rotate 50 blur 100. Make the length of effect about half of the clip. Add a keyframe at start and another at end with blur 0. Go to Object and select All Videos, then go to Graphs and select Ease Out 3. Copy the effect and drag to start of other clips as well. Now copy the effect of each clip 3 times more. And that's all for today. See you in next video. Bye-bye.